Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing two videos today instead of one. I put up a short before and then I'm going to do another one. So I talk about my hair, and I have been struggling, you guys, with my hair. Now this is my hair. This is how it look. It come a far away from where my hair usually be, and I've been wearing this color in my hair for a while, like couple of years I have been doing this color. Now I want to change back this color. I want to put it into a darker color. So the other day I tried to use the henna, and after putting the color in my hair looked dark, but then when I wash it out, it come back to this. So I decided not to use the henna anymore as a coloring for my hair. So I have two boxes of Dark and Lovely today, you guys, that I am going to use one of them in my hair. So let's talk about Dark and Lovely hair. So I always use Cream of Nature, but for whatever reason, I want to change to the Dark and Lovely. So the Dark and Lovely said new fade resistant hair color brand designed for a woman of color. Up to 8 weeks, rich color. Brilliant shine, it said. Complete of range to skin tone. New nourishment care conditioner refused with argan oil, vitamin E, no ammonia. So this is the one that I'm going to use today in my hair, and it have three things. Let's show you. I already put one. I don't just don't use it. It have three things that come into the bag. So this is the instruction with the gloves, which I'm not gonna use. I'm gonna get my own gloves. And then you have this where you condition your hair after you finish wash the hair. But before you wash the hair, you have to put the color, and then you will wash the hair after. So this is one of the cream developer for my hair. Hopefully my hair will turn out. And then I also have this one in here as a fade resistant rich conditioner color. So this is it, you guys. So I'm gonna mix these three together, and I am going to put it in my hair so that see if my hair can color. Now you have light brown, you have medium brown to dark, you have dark brown to black. So I got black, and the one that I got is in 371 jet black. Hopefully, as I said, my hair will turn out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix this color, and then I'll come back. Okay, this is how my hair looks right now. Okay guys, so they say this dye cover gray. I have some grays in my hair, so I am going to use it. Also, you need to test it before you use it, but because I already tried this color before, so I'm not gonna test it because I know it's gonna be okay for me when I use it. And it also said no dripping smoothing formula, up to 100% cover gray, lock in brilliant shine. So I am going to put the color in my hair. So this is the color, you guys. I already put in the mixture, and I use only 2 mixtures. So I part my hair in 2. They said to part the hair in 4, but I do my hair in 2 sections. So I am going to use this, and I'm not using the gloves that really come with the color. I'm using my own gloves for my hair. I think I need a break, you guys, from this color here. Hopefully it will change my hair back to the dark color that I am looking for. So I am putting it in my hair. Make sure I catch the side of my hair, and I'm just gonna use my hand and massage the color in my hair. I bought 2 boxes because I feel more than less that I don't know if the one would really catch back the hair. So I make sure I bought 2 boxes of the color. But I need a break from this color that I have been wearing for some years now. Like, I usually put bleach, but when I put the bleach, it does damage my hair, because some of these colors, they come with the ammonia, the bleach in it, and you can put the bleach in and mix it. So I see turning a little bit here. So I am going to pull the other side of my hair, which I use an elastic, and put the color also in that side. I was gonna do this event in 2 weeks time, but I put some braid in and they are falling apart. So I think I need to give my hair a break from the braid also, because braids intend to thinning out my hair, and I don't want my hair to be thin out. I want my hair to be thick, even if it's not tall, as long as it's thick and I can manage. When I'm with you, I feel like gonna be a better girl. This is who I am. So you do not wash your hair before you put in the color. You put in the color first, and then you leave it there for some time, and then you wash your hair after. Shampoo it, and then you condition it. This thing is not really, one side of my hair is already taken and the other one is still not taken, so I am going to use a heater, a dryer over my hair to penetrate my hair with the color, so the color can really absorb in my hair and really take. You can see this side is getting dark, but I really need this color too. This is a lot, so I'm trying to use the whole of it in my hair. Okay, so you can see the hair take time turning how I want it to be. And I need to catch even the front here, that to make sure. And guys, whenever you're gonna color it, make sure you get an old shirt. So I am going to go underneath the dryer for some time, and then I'll show you after I finish. Okay guys, so this is the coloring that I put in my hair. I have it in for 20 minutes. I put on steaming cap over it, and then I put my dryer. So I am going to let it cool off, and then I am going to wash the hair out, and let's see how it turned out. So guys, I am back with my hair look. So you can see my hair turned out really fine with the color. So I am not going to do my hair again until 8 weeks time. So I'm gonna put down a note on the date that I did my hair with this color. Now I still have some more leave in this thing here, and I use this as the conditioner and I leave it in my hair. This is for 5 minutes, but I leave it more than 5 minutes in my hair because I was trying to put my dryer over it to make it stay in there a little longer. The only thing that you can see that my hair front here is really damaged, and I think it's because of the braid that I was wearing. So I am going to leave my hair like this for now. So I am going to, you guys, I have this. Okay, so I have this here, some leave-in conditioner cream from African Pride. This is very thick, and because my hair is already wet, I am not going to put any water in my hair. So I'm just gonna scoop up some of this, and I am going to put it in my hair. But my hair front is damaged, you guys, and I have this oil here that I'm using. So it's the castor oil with rosemary oil in it for my edges. So I am going to have to use that in my hair. So I am going to put some more of this leave-in cream in my hair. But guys, my hair feel really thick, and as I said, I don't really have tawny hair. I never have tawny hair when I was growing up. But you know, because of all these years that I use all these chemical in my hair and the perm and everything, it helped damage my hair, and that's why it's so hard for me to get back my hair. So I am doing this right now. So I have this, and this is from Garnier. It's a fruit style curl treatment. So I am going to also use this in my hair, and it's a very thick cream, very thick, you guys, white and thick. So I am going to also use some of this in my hair. They say that it gives you curl, and I use it already, and I got curl in my hair from it. So I don't know today what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna put it in my hair. You can see it start to bring in the curl in my hair a bit. I'm using this Garnier cream in my hair, which they said it gives some curl.
So this is my homemade oil, and this is clove leaf, black seed, and also rosemary. I made this, and I have it here for about 4 weeks. So I end up strain it out, and this is how it looks with olive oil and sweet almond oil. I'm gonna put some in my hair to seal the hair. You have a bit of scent because you know rosemary have some scent, you guys. So I'm gonna put it here. So I am going to put some more. Make sure the whole of my hair saturated with this.
So guys, this is my hair, and I want to say thank you so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, turn on notification bell, so when I upload a video you can be notified. Thank you again, guys. God bless you, and I will see you in my next upload. Stay safe, stay beautiful as always, and I will talk